Well, we've lived here for 20 years, came here on January 9th, 2001, and the Lord has blessed so much. Honduras is a wonderful place. It's a third world country, but with great need economically, but more than that, it's a great need spiritually for just good, sound teaching. And that's why we're here, to be able to present and offer through MEDA sound training to train men to preach Christ with power, passion, and precision.
I've heard of MEDA over years, even when I was in Jupiter, and a lot of mutual friends of the ministry, professors, pastors, mentors, men that I respect who've just all spoken so highly of the ministry here. And so when Carlos just emailed me directly, it was obvious that we needed to come, and we wanted to.
Yeah, well, I think we came down here as workmen thinking we had a lot of stuff to do, and the thing that stepped up right away was the fellowship and the brotherly love of this place and these people in this group for one another, the students. And the culmination of that was the graduation. The four-year students were just totally together. I mean, they were hugging and demonstrating brotherly love to one another, support. And I think that 4 years was critical for their life as pastors, for support later on and for being accountable. But it was just so beautiful to see these things happen right before our eyes. They were just a bunch of random guys that were loving on us, and we were loving on them. And then when that graduation happened, it just hit. It was beautiful.
It's exciting to have groups here, and this week we have a group here, and it's exciting group because it's a group that's really dear to my heart from Twin City, and I just want to thank Twin City Bible Church for having sent this group. They've done a lot of work in painting and maintenance, and it's exciting to see how basically the facilities have just transformed because of what they've done. So thank you so much, Twin City.
The food here is incredible. Man, we had some meals off campus, and they blew those meals away with what we got here on campus. And they crank this out every day during those modules for these students. And it's a great ministry because it allows the students here to really just focus on what they're here for, that's studying the Word of God.
For the ministry, that the Lord will just keep us faithful as a leadership, as professors, as staff, that we will just keep on mission, that we understand that this is not for us, this is to give God the glory, to pursue His cause, His unstoppable cause. And just that the Lord will provide for our every need. As a family, obviously as a husband and as a dad, I want to be the best dad, the best husband, and just to be faithful there and to be an example to these students, and just to keep us always humble, to do the work of the ministry in a humble way, never let pride creep in.
The singing in the chapel, the men, I guess 60-some men, praising God in another language that I don't understand completely, it fills me with joy. To think how all around the world in native languages people are praising our God, the one true God.